the new variant which was found first in Nigeria, but it was also found in other places across the world right now. We know that it contains mutations which we've seen before in other variants. For example, mutation which helps the virus to evade immunity. But there are also some additional mutations which we still don't know what they are doing, if they're doing anything. So that's completely new variant.
And so what do the experts and the scientists do in this situation? How do they test this variant to work out what the potential dangers are? How worried should the public be?
So that's quite complicated, and that takes time because first we can do some mathematical modeling and see if, for example, this variant spreads quicker, or we can see it more in hospital samples. But again, that needs sequencing of the virus, which again takes time. And also we can do some lab experiments, for example, in animal models, to see how the virus itself behaves in live organism. But again, all of these takes time. So right now we only know that this variant exists. It has some mutations which we know that might change characteristics of this variant, but how it behaves really, it will take a few weeks to know that.
How true is it that this is just kind of the normal evolution of a virus, and so we will from time to time see new variants and have to adjust our strategy accordingly?
Yes, that's totally normal, and we knew that this virus will evolve over time because all viruses evolve. And in fact, SARS-CoV-2 evolves a bit slower than we expected. And since the beginning of this pandemic, we observed thousands of variants. Only right now we observe ones which started to change the characteristics of the virus. So, for example, evading antibodies or make the virus more transmissible. But we will observe more of that, especially after introducing more and more of the vaccinations in the population.